Boat lifts are a great way to keep your boat safe, clean, and ready to launch in seconds. You will be able to spend more time on the boat and less time cleaning. Here are a few tips to help you when operating your new boat lift. Turn on the power to the lift with a high tide key or flip the breaker. Use the up and down toggle switch or remote control to lower the boat into the water. Be sure the boat is completely floating before boarding. Manually push the boat out of the slip or use idle speed to exit slowly. Use the wireless transmitter to raise the cradle out of the water while you're out on the lake. This will prevent the cables from getting tangled and extend the life of the lift.
Wow.
Slow down to idle speeds when approaching the dock and use the wireless transmitter to lower the cradle back into the water. Be sure to lower the cradle far enough under the water surface to ensure the boat will not come in contact with the bunks when entering the slip. Make use of neutral and reverse to reduce the speed of entry. Please be aware of wind, current, and weight conditions. Enter the slip in neutral and use guide poles to help center the boat on the lift. The Lake Martin dock emblem can be used as a marker to ensure proper positioning each time you place the boat on the lift.
Wow.
Exit the boat and use the remote or the up and down toggle switch to raise the boat out of the water. Raise the lift to the desired height. Turn off power to the lift with a high tide key or flip the breaker. For long-term storage, ensure the cradles and I-beams are completely out of the water.